Hi everyone, so welcome back guys. This is GBPJPY FX. So today we just gonna do some breakdown on some pairs here. I just want to show you some setups. I just want to show you how I do analysis during days like this, usually Fridays, so as to get my move on Mondays. So I have few pairs here to share with you guys on these Fridays, late night, late time. Okay, as you guys remember, last week we just dropped our video on the Euro USD. Remember, you guys, if you didn't watch that video, kindly recommend you guys to check on my channel down there for the videos, last week video. So I'll just go through the Euro USD to see if the market really went onto our side. So I just want to show you guys how we do it on Elite community. So this is Euro USD, as you see here. This is Euro, excuse me, just a little bit here. I'll just do this. Okay, I'll start with dollar index. This is dollar index. What's happening? I had some drawings here, some okay, drawings, whatever. I was just doing some setups, and if you guys remember this setup around these areas here, I think on 1 hour's time frame, probably. Let me check out. Yeah, it was probably here, 1 hour's time frame. Okay, here around these areas here. So around these areas here, so we had this area here, double bottom, and we explained double bottom in deep. If we have these two bottoms around these areas here, so we have to mark our neckline, which is this one here, this neckline here, and wait for the break and retest is where we enter our trades around these areas here. After the retest entries, then we take our profits above the previous higher high, which is around these areas here. So I'll just delete this, which is around these areas here, guys. So we took our entries around these areas last week, if you guys remembered, and it was all almost about 40 pips. We had 48 pips in bag, and I told you guys I am an intraday trader, so I go for a few pips, guys. Probably some of you guys just took entries here and still are swinging this trade until up there. I don't know where it might end, but remember, it reminds you guys we just took our trades around this area. So today I want to share with you guys some little bit setups on GBPJPY. So I want to show you guys the actual move of GBPJPY around sorry, that isn't GBPJPY, that isn't. I just used from Oanda, this one. So this is GBPJPY 1 hour's time frame. As you can see, guys, this is 1 hour's time frame. So it's clean, right? It's clean on 1 hour's time frame. So we have this clean trend onto my eyes. I have this clean trend around these areas here. So boom, you see. So this is the first touch here. We had this first touch around this area here, and we had this second touch around this area here, and we had this third touch around this area here. So this trend was respectively it was respectively. So we had this break around these areas here. So after the break, we expect some down push. We expect to do some consolidations, simple consolidations to the order block before upward good momentum going upward. So I'll just put my zones as usual. I told you guys I'll be just putting my zones up there. I have that zone, I have that zone there, I have that zone, excuse me guys, I have that zone around those areas there, and also I have this zone around these areas here, around these areas here. So that is it, yeah guys, that is that. I have this zone here. So as you guys can see it clearly, we have these different zones here, I can just zoom it this way to show you the actual movement of this market. Okay, I'll do this here. You see, so we have okay, those two zones around these areas here. Excuse me, I'll just keep it long so as we don't miss any move and we get each other clearly. So we have those zone. I'll zoom it out like this. So we have this first zone around these areas here, and this first second touch, and so we have this grid support until it turned to resistance. It was a support here, and it was break around these areas here is where it broke and came to retest. So this is a strong zone, as it was respected around these areas here, and it was also rejected around those areas there. So excuse me. So we had this this is what we call a strong resistance, strong zone. So it was respected around these areas here, and it was breaked here. Then the market did some simple consolidations until it came into retest. Then boom, it cashed it all the way momentum here until it tapped this resistance trend here and dropped again, and hence this trend was break here. But the market really came onto this zone once again as a retest around those areas. As you can see, it was a clean retest. So after the retest, we had that pin bar around those areas, which is inverse candle. So after all, we have to see this inverse head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, and we have this head here around these areas here. We have that head around that area there, and we have this right shoulder around these areas here. So we have that invert head and shoulder, you see, and this was a change of market structure around these areas here. We had a change of market structure. So we expect this some pullbacks until the point of interest, POT, which I suggest this will be a point of interest around those areas. We mark an order block. Okay, we expect, I highly expect okay, something like this. Yep, some simple consolidations. Okay, sorry, I'll just keep this clean. We have something like boom, bow, boom, bow, boom, bow, boom. Then to break this, retest, further upper move. This is what we expect on GBPJPY on the coming weeks, guys. So I'll just mark this here. This is what we expect on the coming weeks, guys. So hope you guys really enjoyed this. This is how we trade in our community. So we are about to bag 312 pips and risk up all about 74 pips. Okay, this is per 0.01. This is almost 7 USDs to what we call 7 USDs to what we call 31 USD per 0.01. So it's the choice is yours. Join our elite community. So I have a lot of pairs to share with you guys, but as you know, we have people out there paying for these things. Okay, and we have to show them much concentration. So I'll just not give you out each and everything. I have to keep some to the elite community. So stay in touch with your favorite camera, favorite channel, Green Pips FX. Keep in touch with us. We love you so much. Bye bye. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.